Hello, faculty members, colleagues, and friends. I am Aditi Vyas, a third year PhD student from Biological Sciences. My area of research is mindfulness, anxiety, and hypertension. I am presenting poster on the effects of 8-week active mindfulness in stress management on decentering and anxiety during the COVID-19 pandemic. By now, we all have become quite familiar with the novel coronavirus. Over the last year, the virus has crossed international borders and affected millions of people globally. Since January 2020, the spread of this infection has increased and forced the people in the USA and in the entire country to follow stay at home orders. This has left people feeling anxious due to spending prolonged duration indoors, lack of social interaction with friends and family, losing jobs, or potentially getting exposed to the infection. As we all know, long-term high anxiety can have negative effect on the psychological and physical well-being. Common disorders such as elevated blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes are associated with high anxiety. To reduce the impact of this, active interventions like mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, or stress management education, SME, have gained popularity. We wanted to analyze the effect of this ongoing pandemic on the mental health of our participants. For this, we compared the group which was affected by the pandemic and the group which was not affected by the pandemic. The primary aim of our study was to investigate the effects of MBSR and SME on anxiety before and after during the COVID 19 pandemic. The second aim of our study was to determine the ability of our participants to decenter or centralize thoughts and emotion in SME and MBSR group prior to and during COVID 19. A total of 36 participants were enrolled in the study and randomized into MBSR and SME group for both pandemic and non-pandemic group. The MBSR group did meditation, body scanning, and light yoga for approximately 2 hours every week during a group class. The SME group also had sessions for the same duration, which included stress management, nutrition, exercise, and sleep. Both the groups also did approximately 45 minutes of daily home practice. The pandemic group had first 4 weeks face to face and last 4 weeks of online sessions. Non pandemic group had all sessions face to face. All groups completed questionnaires on state rate anxiety and decentering before and after 8 weeks. Repeated measures ANOVA was used as a statistical test to compare the effects of state rate anxiety and decentering in pandemic versus non-pandemic, MBSR versus SME, before and after 8 weeks. Table 1 describes the mean and standard deviation for participants' age and BMI in pandemic and non-pandemic group. The results showed that there was a significant increase in decentering in pandemic group after 8 weeks. MBSR and SME participants improved significantly during the pandemic. Trait anxiety also reduced after 8 weeks. The MBSR group had greater decrease than the SME group. There was also no increase in state anxiety during the pandemic. The results of the study are encouraging in the small group. MBSR and SME can positively affect the psychological health during the COVID-19 health crisis, especially help in reducing the trait anxiety and help in superior ability to decenter and disconnect from emotions. Thank you.